Okay. Squeeze it. Okay, folks, it's opening night. We all want to focus. Everybody, we did a great show last night. Tonight, even a better show because we got a paying audience, and that's the best thing that an actor, performer, entertainer could possibly have, is people that want to actually pay money to let you do the things that you love to do. So, in light of that, let's give them 110%. Sing out, smile, because if we're having a good time, they're having a good time, right? So keep the energy up. Hold on to your juggling things. You guys are flawless last night. The unicycles are flawless. I think it's one of the best dress rehearsals, knock on wood, knock on the stage, hope I don't put a hole in it, that we've ever had. So let's take it up a notch, and we'll keep it going. What we like to do when we do these shows is everybody join hands, because we create a lei of people, because a lei is a gift you give to other people to show your aloha. So we want to show our aloha to not only each other, but also to the people that are coming to see us. And then we'll take 3 deep breaths. We'll raise our hands up, let them down, raise them up, let them down. And after the 3rd breath, when we let him down, we all say imua together. And if you don't know what that means in Hawaii, it means onward together as one cause. Because that's what we're here to do, is to entertain the wonderful people who've come to support us and support the palace. So, in light of that, any questions? Deep breath. Suck up at the good air and exhale the bad air. If you had a stressful day, forget about it. It's all over. We're here to forget for 2 hours that we're even citizens. We are thespians too. And the 3rd one, we're going to imua together. 1 and imua. Have a great show, everybody. Great show. It is my pleasure to introduce the host of your show, Clay Calloway. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Aloha. Great to see you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all the other animals in the zoo. Looks like we still have some people piling in here. We have a great show for you tonight, a lot of talent. A great lineup for the Vaudeville Variety Show, Arama Agogo du Jour of the Palace Theater. It's a fundraiser, so we're so happy you're all here to help support the Palace. Before we get started, there's a little bit of business we have to take care of, so I will don my civil defense hat for these important announcements. There are 5 exits in total in the house tonight. 1 on the left house, 1 on the right house. There are 2 up in the back that take you down into the lobby and out into the street. And there is a center one, which most of you probably came in through. And again, that is the way out. So in the case of fire, earthquake, or any other emergency, that's how you go. We don't mean to alarm you, but that's just what we have to do to let you know. Now, in case of a tsunami or flash flood, there should be some flotation devices underneath your seat. Oh, no flotation devices. Well, in the case of a tsunami, run that way. Women and children first, of course, naturally. All right, we have a great lineup for you tonight. And the last but not least thing, actually I could take the hat off because I'm through with the emergency information. Yes, you can applaud at any time. Thank you, thank you. You may laugh at any time and sing along if you feel so compelled. We might put you next show. The final thing is about photography, flash photography, or having your cell phones and videotaping, because 3 rows behind they can watch it and they start watching the TV instead of the show. Also, if you happen to have a cell phone with you, which many people do these days, they interfere with our audio system because we run on a wireless system. So if you could please turn your phones off completely before we start the show, it would be of a great... It's always whining.
Hello? Hey, how's it? Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, I'm here at the Palace.
Excuse me, sir.
No movie tonight.
Hello,
I don't know what the heck's going on here.
Sir, we're trying to start our show. Could you please turn off your phone, hang it up, and turn it off so...
I'm on the phone.
Yes, I see that, sir. It's quite obvious. That's the whole point of the conversation. Turn the phone off so we can get on with the show.
Sorry.
So, as I was saying, if you have a cell phone, please shut it completely off so there's...
Hey, how you doing?
There's one in
I'm
every
trying to get in
crowd,
touch
right?
with you.
Sir,
No.
Excuse
That's
me,
why I
sir.
called.
Sir, hello.
No, I'm sorry, I
Sir,
can't
can
text
you work
on
with
this
me
thing.
here?
It's
Hello,
kind of
sir.
old.
Sir, yeah, that is a very old phone. Can you text on that thing?
No, it's too old.
I can tell. We're trying to start our show, sir. So if you could please just turn it off, sit down, and then we can get going.
Show? What show? Hey,
Yes.
let me call you right
The
back.
Vaudeville Variety Show. That's what we're doing here tonight.
Variety show?
Yes, thank you.
I got the act for your show. It's a magic act.
A magic act. Do you think you can make yourself disappear? That would be a help to all of us. Thank you.
No, can I please be in your show, please?
No, we've got a great lineup, and maybe you can audition next time, okay? But thank you again. Oh, brother. Can I have an usher here, please, to take this gentleman out?
Outside?
Outside, sir. Just outside. If you can't work with me here, just out. There we go. Thank you for your support. Let's get him out of here.
Wait a minute. Hey.
Brother. I tell you, no, sir. Now just kick him right out the door. 86. Goodbye. Thank you. We'll see you next year. Good night. Thank you. I hope he wasn't one of our sponsors. Thank you. That's how we handle it here at the Palace. So just, there's always one, but if there's two, turn it off. So, let's get the show started. It is my esteemed pleasure to introduce to you my lovely and glamorous co-host for the evening, Miss Janelle Neiman. Let's give her a big hand.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And on behalf of the Friends of the Palace, welcome. Look what happened to my little vaudeville show. It's on steroids. I'd like to say also that all I can do is thank Quack Moore and Clay Calloway. They are a wonder.
That wasn't in the script.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's our pleasure. You look fabulous this evening. Oh, stuffing a little more in there.
Oh, I don't want to lose the money, honey.
Oh, honey, there's where it all goes. Isn't it?
There we
Right
go.
there.
I hope it doesn't fall through. Tammy, tell me
But
true.
you look beautiful this evening.
Well, you look pretty dapper yourself, Mr. Calloway.
Thank you. I should. You dressed me. I'm surprised you had anything to fit me.
So was I, but I do keep a man around the house.
Well, my dear, let's not delay the show any longer.
By all means.
Miss Conductor, if you please.
Thank you.
Let me tell you. Clown with his pants falling down.
Oh, the dance, that's the dream of romance.
Or the scene where the villain is mean.
That's entertainment. The lights on the lady in tights.
Or the guy with the bride by his side.
Oh, the ball where she gives it her all. That's entertainment. It might be a plot simply teeming with sex.
A gay divorcee who is after her ex.
It could be Oedipus Rex, where a guy kills his father and hooks up with his mother. The clerk that is thrown out of work.
I'm the boss who is thrown for a loss.
I'm the flirt who is dishing the dirt. The world is a stage. The stage is a world of entertainment. It might be a fight like you've seen on the screen.
A swain getting slain for the love of a queen.
Some great Shakespearean scene where a ghost and a prince meet, and yet it all ends in this meet.
The guy who is waving the flag.
That began with that mystical man.
Hip hooray, the American way. The world is a stage.
The stage is a world.
The stage is the world.
The world is a stage of entertainment. Yeah!
Thank you. We have a great show lined up for you today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy every minute of it. I know it was advertised as 100 minutes, but that's only the good parts. There's another 20 or so that, WTF. I don't know.
But we do have a great show.
Hold
for
on,
you
my
all.
dear. We have a wanderer. Sir,
Oh, boy.
sir, could you please take a seat? Sir.
I tried to, but they're all nailed down.
Yes, sir. No, sir. It's open seating. You can sit anywhere. Yes, open seat.
I don't want open seating. I forgot to put my underwear on this morning.
Oh, now that's a lovely image to start the show with.
Yes, can we have an usher down here and help this gentleman find a seat?
If there's one missing, I didn't take it.
Yes, sir, of course. Usher, please help this gentleman. We're so happy you're here, sir. We're glad to have you in the audience, but we'll get you seated and...
At my age, it's nice to be anywhere.
Yes, sir. Oh, Janelle, I tell you, it's like juggling cats around here.
Well, speaking of juggling, let's get started with our first act of the evening. All the way from the tip of the Bona Peninsula, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the HICCUP Circus!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
HICCUP circus never cease to amaze me.
They are a treasure indeed in the chest of talent on the Big Island.
And speaking of treasures, our next act has a lovely voice.
Yes, a lovely set of pipes indeed.
Oh, I've always wondered where that phrase originated.
I possess that knowledge.
Oh!
Oh, we have Mr. Beaver in the orchestra today. Well, Mr. Skaggs, please impart us with your encyclopedic knowledge of music.
Actually, there's two answers. The first is a positive comparison of the human voice to the terrible qualities of the pipe organ.
And the second answer?
Bagpipes!
Oh, my.
I'm sure, thank you. Thank you, he'll be here all week.
Yes, you can have Marvin later.
Thank you, Randy, for imparting us with that knowledge. I'm sure in the case of Miss Amy Horace, we're talking about the vocal dexterity of the pipe organ.
Oh, of course, it's fabulous.
Don't be so sure.
Now, Janelle, I detect a little envy of you.
It's a soprano thing.
Oh, really?
Oh, by the way, if you need another co-host.
Well, thank you, Randy. I think we have things taken care of up here.
Oh, now, boys, there's no need to fight over me. There's plenty to go around.
Yes,
Besides, I think I smell a soprano overheating backstage.
Well, you know, there's nothing wrong with a hot soprano.
All kidding aside, Clay,
Yes.
it is my pleasure and privilege to welcome to the palace stage the joy of my heart, the gilded notes of the beautiful Miss Amy Horace.
Let's give her a big hand.
It shone with 1,000 lights, and there was a woman who passed along, the fairest of all the sights. Again to her lover, then softly sighed, "There's riches at her command," but she married for wealth, not for love, he cried, though she lives in a mansion grand. She's only a bird in a gilded cage, a beautiful sight to see. You may think she's happy and free from care. She's not, though she seems to be. 'Tis sad when you think of her wasted life, for youth cannot wait with age, and her beauty was sold for an old man's gold. She's a bird in a gilded cage. I stood in the churchyard just at eve, when sunset adorned the west, and looked at the people who'd come to grieve for those they had laid to rest. A tall marble monument marked the grave of one who'd been fashion's queen, and I thought she is happier here at rest than for people to say when seen. She's only a bird in a gilded cage. You may think she's happy and free from care. She's not, though she seems to be. 'Tis sad when you think of her wasted life, for youth cannot mate with age, and her beauty was sold for an old man's gold. She's a bird in a
What a voice,
What a treasure.
I tell you.
Amy has really got a lovely set of pipes,
She
as
does
you said.
indeed. She does indeed. That's
Yes.
okay, Randy. We know what it means. I think now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a word from our sponsor, Vitamin and Vegemin.
Hello, friends. I'm your Vitamin Vegemin girl. Are you tired, run down, listless? Do you poop out at parties? Are you unpopular? The answer to all your problems is in this little bottle, Vita Vegemin. Yes, Vita Vegemin contains vitamins, meat, vegetables, and minerals. With Vita Vegemin, you can spoon your way to health. All you have to do is take a great big tablespoon after every meal. It's so tasty, too. Tastes just like candy. So why don't you join the thousands of happy people and get a great big bottle of Vita Vegemin. That's Vita Vegemin.
How did we end up with that sponsor?
Well, it's the only way we could get alcohol in the theater. You know that stuff is 100 proof.
Oh, can you mix it with cranberry juice?
Maybe.
Oh. Up next, another one of our new talented friends from the HICCUP Circus.
That's right, a very well-balanced young man on his rollabola board. Nils Kurfmacher.